So tonight's final, we've got Omar Mosaad, the #1 seed from Egypt, taking on Mathieu Castagnet, the #3 seed from France. Well, I'm Joe Barrington, and joining me for tonight's final, we have Lee Drew. Well, Drew boy, the activity throughout this tournament has been pretty active, but the semi-finals last night, there were some marathon matches there, Lee. You don't have the physicality, even though you're quite tired. You don't get that build-up of physicality within the match. What Castagnet's doing here, he's moving the ball, but he's extending. So if he does lose the first game, he's not going to be panicking in any way, the Frenchman. But at the moment, he's got the most positive start.
Well, if he keeps playing like this, he's not losing this first game.
4-1.
Well, he's not heeding your warning here, Joey. Yeah, that's a wonderful shot from Omar Mosaad. I thought the volley drop in initially was good, but Castagnet came in and played a very good counter back, and this is perfect from Omar Mosaad. Well, he's so dangerous, isn't he? Once he gets into that position on the backhand, he doesn't miss many.
Pattern of play, saw him take it in with severity there, and then the deceptive chop across the court. If he gets this first game under his belt, he'll start to really open up into the front areas of the court. Lovely use of height, though, from Mosaad. It gives him time to get back to the tee line. It's the first time Castagnet's been able to dictate a rally. It could get blown away there.
Decision Castagnet, no let.
So the no-let given, Omar Mosaad has steamrolled through this second phase of the first game.
That's a great counter from Castagnet.
That's better, he's accelerating onto the ball.
We're starting to use the front corners, as you said a couple of rallies ago, and it's really doing damage to Mosaad, isn't it? Because he's having to go back into an area.
Well, it's a very hard movement to make. This is like a deja vu, isn't it? Castagnet was
back to 6-2.
6-2 up in the first when Mosaad suddenly woke up.
One thing he can't afford to do is go back into his shell.
No, he's got to push up and try and get in front of Mosaad here. See the busyness already from Castagnet. If he's trapped behind Mosaad, he's going to come off.
Down.
It's a squeeze. It wasn't the softest of shots, but it was very effective because it was so tight to the sidewall from Castagnet.
10-7, game ball. Down.
And there's the unforced error. So the French warrior gives it the fist bump.
Castagnet, 1 game all. Down.
It's going to give Castagnet a lot of confidence, that backhand volley. It's the first one we've seen from Castagnet of that quality. these matches start to go over kind of 3/4 of an hour is the ball. The ball will start to drop off and get softer, which means it stays in the front corners and back corners a lot more. So whoever has the quality attack going forward, particularly, will get that success. And you can only feel that that will help the Egyptian.
Yeah, but it is actually quite a lively glass court, isn't it, here?
Well, because there's such a packed crowd, and the crowd are very close on the side walls and the back wall in. You get all that heat from the audience.
And out. 4-all.
Went to get out of the way, but just a fraction too late, really, for that to be a no-let.
There's power. Will Mosaad start to make a move as we approach the business end of this third?
Down.
It's good strength there from Castagnet.
That's the way to finish it.
Well, Mosaad's appealing this one.
The ball was good.
Mosaad feels the ball was down. Castagnet's flown straight off court. Mosaad wants to see it on the replay. Let's have a look at this one. Castagnet's thumped it.
11-8, game to Castagnet.
What do you think there?
Well, my first initial thought was it was up. Good. Well, that's well played by Omar Mosaad. He was working Castagnet all around the court there.
Quality was right up there once again for Mosaad. Castagnet conceding his pickup.
Well, see the reaction of Mosaad says it all.
7-4.
Can't believe it, can he? He's there, he's thinking it's going to be a stroke, and Castagnet gets out of the way. Well, one thing we can be sure of is that Omar Mosaad will keep on fighting here.
Down.
Another point on the board for
9-4.
Mathieu Castagnet. Getting so close at 9-4 in this fourth game.
Down.
Well, Mosaad fighting for his life out there. He's done it. Mathieu Castagnet's going to get the stroke. It's a massive, massive win for Mathieu Castagnet. Completely exhausted Omar Mosaad, but this Frenchman has never won anything close to this size. He is on cloud 9 here in London. So 83 minutes in this final here in the Canary Wharf Classic. And it's Castagnet that overcomes Omar Mosaad. 6-11, 11-7, 11-8, 11-5, 3 games to 1.
So Mathieu, we've seen Thierry Linku win this trophy. We've seen Gregory Gaultier, runner-up here. Congratulations, we have another French champion. You must be very, very happy.
Yeah, I can't. To be honest, like we'll say, Joey, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. So yeah, I can't believe it. Just you know, put my name on the trophy with Thierry Linku, James Ristrop, Nick Mathieu, all these top best players in the world. They have been world champions too, so it's a great pleasure for me.